The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency has called for the support of parents, guardians and other interest groups in its efforts towards combating drug abuse and drug-related crimes in the country. The Deputy State Director of the agency, Funmi Ofoha, was speaking at a symposium organized by an Osun Community-based non-governmental organization in collaboration with the NDLEA and Amotekun in Osogbo.
Statistics from the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency reveals that 40% of Nigerian youth between the ages of 18 and 35 are deeply involved in the abuse of drugs. Generally, the drug use prevalence in the country is put at 14.4%, which is significantly higher than the global average. However, Southwest accounts for 22.4% of the prevalence in Nigeria, out of which Ogun State accounts for 17%. Osun is not left out in the ugly trend, and this is the reason for this lecture aimed at addressing the abuse and proliferation of drugs, particularly among youths. Speaking on the theme, the role of amateur and community leaders in the prevention of drug trafficking and abuse, speakers identify poor parenting as one of the major causes of drug abuse.
On prevention, on skills to be using in preventing the spread of drug abuse among adolescents and youths, the community. We realize that when you begin to catch them young, when you begin to talk to them about drugs, you expose them. What they know cannot kill them.
Of drug abuse and addiction among youth, especially now in Nigeria, is over millions of youth are involved in the health problem, drug addiction, and any public health issue will have to create a kind of intervention or solution to it in order to ensure that people are involved in health giving.
In a welcome address, the Corps Commander of Amotekun Corps expressed readiness of the Corps to curb crime and other social vices across the nooks and crannies of the states.
To control this thing is a seminar, training and retraining and reorientating our people all the time. I think that will curb the excesses of drug taking in our community.
They believe continuous engagements like this will go a long way in reducing the number of youths indulging in the abuse of drugs in different forms. Operatives of Amotekun in the state had embarked on a sensitization walk in some major streets of Osogbo, which terminated at the Osun Command Headquarters of the Corps. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News, Osogbo.